How to do a shoulder blade squeeze, also called a scapular retraction, correctly. Step-by-step guide. 1. Starting position. Sit or stand tall with your spine straight, chest open, and shoulders relaxed. Keep arms by your sides or bent at 90 degrees like goalpost arms. 2. Movement. Slowly draw your shoulder blades back and down, as if you are trying to tuck them into your back pockets. Imagine squeezing a pencil or a small ball between your shoulder blades. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Avoid shrugging upward. 3. Hold. Pause at the peak squeeze for about 3 to 5 seconds. 4. Release. Gently return to the starting position without rounding your shoulders forward. Reps and sets. 10-12 reps, holding each for 3 to 5 seconds. 2 to 3 sets, once or twice a day if used for posture or rehab. Keep your chest lifted but don't arch your lower back. Move slowly and with control. Thanks for watching.